To replace a wired doorbell button, remove the screws holding the old button, then remove the wires from the back of the button. Most doorbells are 16 or 24 volts. Because it's low voltage, there's a low risk of a shock hazard. To be safe, you can turn off the power to the circuit. Bend the stripped end of the wires into a hook and loop them around the screws on the back of the button. Have the end of the hook on the right side so it tightens down under the screw head. The button is a simple switch, so either wire can be attached to either screw. Fold the wires under the button, then screw down the button. Turn the power back on and test the button.